Hi friends, Miss Doohan here to show you how to find the area of a triangular pyramid. Remember, we name 3D shapes like prisms and pyramids based on the shape of their base. So in this case, we have a triangle. Well, that's not a good way to do it. A triangle on the base of our 3D shape here. And it comes to a point at the top, our vertex. So we know this is a triangular pyramid. So let's draw a net so that we can figure out how to get the area, the surface area of our 3D shape, our triangular pyramid. So the first thing I'm going to do is draw this base, the red triangle that I just traced over here. And this is a regular triangular pyramid. So what that means is the triangle on the bottom is an equilateral triangle. So every single side is exactly the same length. So we can see here that the one side of this triangle is 4. So I'm going to label that inside. So that means every single side is 4. Can't really see that very well, but you get the idea. So this is an equilateral triangle. Every side of the triangle is 4. All right, let's go ahead and draw the next side. We're going to draw this back triangle here. Okay. That one's taller than the triangle at the base, but we do know this side here is 4 because that's what we labeled it before. I'm going to relabel it so it's a little bit easier to see in a different color. And then we also need to label the height of the triangle. And according to this over here, we've got an 8 as the height for this triangle. And because each of the 3 face triangles are equivalent to each other, we know that the height of this triangle is also 8. All right, next triangle we're going to draw on our net is this back triangle over here on the right. Okay, and we know that the base is 4. I'll do these in black so they're easier to see. And then the height of our triangle here is also 8. Okay, and then we have one more triangle to draw, and that's this front triangle, the front side of the shape. So I'm going to draw that right here. Remember, this is what it would look like if we just squished it down flat. And let's label the base, which is 4, and the height is 8. All right, now we need to find the area of each of those pieces that we drew. We're going to add them all together, and that will give us the surface area of our triangular pyramid. Again, surface area problems are not quick and easy problems, but they are, they do take a lot of steps. They take a little bit of time to figure out, but they're not super duper hard, especially since you get to use your calculator on these. So let's find the area of our red triangle, the base one, the first one we drew. So we know that the area of a triangle is base times height divided by 2, and I just realized that we don't know the height of this triangle, so I'm going to have to go back in here and give us a height because I forgot to do that. So this height is going to be, let's say, 6. Let's say the height of this triangle is going to be 6. All right, so let's label that here. Okay, so now that we've got that done, sorry I forgot to do that. So the height of our base triangle is 6, and the base right here is 4. So to find the area of this red triangle, it's base 4 times height 6 divided by 2. So 4 times 6 is 24, divided by 2 is 12. All right, let's find the area of our orange triangle. Base on the orange triangle is 4, and the height is 8, and we have to divide that by 2. So 4 times 8 is 32, divided by 2 is 16. I hope I did that right. And that is the area of our orange triangle. Now, what I want you to see, and you can go ahead and do this all separately, that's totally fine, is that the base and the height of the purple triangle and the base and the height of our green triangle and the base and the height of our orange triangle are all exactly the same. They're all 4 times 8 divided by 2. So the area of each of those triangles is 16. All the faces of our regular triangular pyramid are exactly the same. So you can go ahead and do the base times height divided by 2 for each one of those, but know that you're going to get 16 as your area for each of those face triangles. So we can add 16 plus 16 plus 16, or we can just multiply this by 3. Since there's 3 face triangles on our triangular pyramid, we can take the area of each of those triangles, which is 16, and multiply that by 3. And get my calculator out here so I don't make a mistake. And find out that 16 times 3 is 48. Okay, so that would be the total surface area of each of the 3 face triangles on our triangular pyramid. So all we would have to do is add that number to the area of the base triangle, which we found earlier, which was 12. Okay, so we can add those two together and find out that the total surface area of our triangular pyramid is 60 square units, or 60 units squared. Okay, so that's one thing that's nice about regular triangular pyramids, is that once you find the area of one of the face triangles, the rest are all the same. So you can just multiply by 3 and then add the area that you found in for the red triangle, the base triangle. So your total surface area of this guy right here, our original triangular pyramid, is going to be 60 units squared. So that one was a little quicker and easier than our rectangular pyramid. But remember, these have to be regular triangular pyramids. Regular means that all of the base measurements are the same. Our base triangle is an equilateral triangle. So if you have any questions on your digits homework, or you need any further help, definitely send me an email. I can make a video for you and send it to you to watch, and hopefully that will help. Try to do anything I can to make sure that you guys are successful with this distance learning. But I can't help you if you don't ask, so send me an email if you need anything. Have a great day, guys.